All right, guys. I think I have found the ultimate starter keyboard for anybody wanting to get into the custom mechanical keyboard side of things. The keyboard I'm about to show you is the Bakaneko 60. It is a 60% keyboard. And the way that this keyboard is put into the case is a little bit more unique. The main ones that you hear about are top mount. So the plate is mounted to the top of the case, makes for a bit of a stiff typing experience. You've got case mount, where the PCB is mounted into the case, a little bit of a stiffer typing experience. And then you've got gasket mount. So with gasket mount, you've got the plate that's actually sandwiched in between the top of the case and the bottom of the case, and it has little gaskets all around the top and the bottom of the case, allowing a little bit of flex. So as you type, it has a little bit of give. Well, this one is actually an O-ring design. So with this, there's actually an O-ring that sits in between the plate and the PCB. So when you put this inside the case, the O-ring sticks out to where it actually has a little bit of resistance to where it allows it to bounce a little bit, making for a very similar typing experience to a gasket mount board. One of the reasons I think this board is so good for a beginner is it's in stock and it's cheap. It's about $130, I think it was. And you can do a couple just simple mods to it to make it sound really good. Really all I did was I did the tape mod on the back. And then you just plug this thing in. So that's plugged in. Put the bottom in first. Drop it down. And as simple as that. And it's not going to fall. It's nice and stiff in there. I will post another video for the sound test. Hope to see you guys in that video.